In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable the timeline feature in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enable the timeline feature in Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into it. Open Google Maps on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Under your profile, tap on the Timeline option. Ensure that your device's location is turned on to allow tracking. You'll find the ability to add different places or locations to your timeline by tapping the pencil icon. You can add specific places you've visited or places you intend to visit. In the timeline, you can view your activities for today or even past trips or periods, allowing you to relive memories and see your travel history. The timeline also organizes your visits by day trips, insights, places and cities, providing a comprehensive overview of your activities and visited locations. Enabling the timeline on Google Maps can help you keep track of your trips and activities, acting as a digital diary of your travels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and insightful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.